To see your son, daughter as IAS, IPS, IRS officer at an early age of 22 years, here is the solution. KP's 21st Century IAS Academy Rajahmundry, offering you best available faculty and infrastructure to guide the students design themselves, ready for civils and other competitive exams, Inter plus IAS and Degree plus IAS coaching classes. We aim not only at academic improvement but also overall development of the student's personality through indoor and outdoor games, physical trainings, yoga and exposure visits along, training in cultural art forms, and of course self-defense mechanism to the girl students especially. Well equipped with sufficient playground infrastructure. Come join us. Let's make your dream a reality. Admissions in progress. For more details, please contact KP's 21st Century IAS Academy Rajahmundry. Phone 91009 34572 90306 9229.